Hi everyone. Welcome to Super Hiro's kitchen. So today I introduce my assistant, Chef Sherry Lam. Yes. So, yes. So today is how to carry today the chicken drum. So today it's not. I can show you. Today is Sherry Lam. Chicken. So please do it.
How to debone drumstick.
Yes.
First, there's these tendons here. You want to separate them from the bone. Once it's separated, it should be pretty easy to take off after.
Pretty easy to take off. This chicken drum looks a good shape, right?
I usually cut from the space here.
Yes. Space here, yeah.
And then just follow the bone.
So chicken drum, what do you cook it after
You can make anything you want. You can make chicken karaage.
Yes.
You can make oyakodon.
Yes, oyakodon. Oyakodon is, could you explain to the English?
Oyakodon
Maybe next time on the, yeah.
Child and parent. Child and parent on a bowl of rice.
Yes.
So oyakodon means parent is the chicken and the egg is the child. That's why it's called oyakodon.
Yeah. Maybe next time making the video, I have to show them to the for the
Just
oyakodon.
follow the bone. And
Oh yes.
should be good.
Nice, Shiri-san. Good job. And then you check in the bone.
Check if there's any bone.
Yes. Usually where the left to the bone. Must need a hint to the chicken. Yeah.
Usually if you feel it, you'll know.
Yes.
But since I know that there's none,
Okay.
then it's good.
Yes. Okay, maybe show me the another one. Yes.
Another one?
Yeah.
Cut the tendon.
Tendon. 足のアキレス腱のところを切りますね。I can speak Japanese. She can speak English, Cantonese, and Japanese.
So, tendon. Then
Yes.
I mean, you don't have to cut from here, but I like to cut from here.
Yes.
Trying to get as less waste as possible, because I don't want to waste any meat.
Oh yeah, good for the appreciation for the chicken, right?
Yeah, they worked hard to grow big, so
Yes. Yeah, we steal for their life. We have to keep as much as we can. No waste. It's good policy. Yeah, good philosophy. Yeah, very skin bone, can see, take off the bone, scrape. Looks professional ですね。
looks professional.
Yeah.
Do it slowly
So
for you guys.
Yeah, because for the watching them for the YouTube, so easy to see and easy to learn.
Yeah.
So nice.
So you want to make sure your knife.
Okay. Yes. So thank you, Shiri-san. Yeah.
Please like and subscribe. Please. And we'll see you next time. Thank you. You told me to do like.
Thank you very much, Shiri.